this video, we are going to share best techniques to help you to study English grammar. With the help of these techniques, you can improve your English grammar efficiency. Dear friends, to some people, grammar is kind of dirty words. It probably makes them think boring textbook, boring lessons and boring exercises. A question arises in people's mind. Why do we need grammar? It is just for communication. Grammar is just something in a book. My dear friends, grammar is how to connect words into phrases and phrases into sentences. If any time you connect two words, you are using grammar. Even now, you are using grammar to understand what I am saying. Follow this practical plan to improve English grammar in any area. Step number 1. Use an app to improve your English grammar. It is because by watching funny and entertaining video, you will enjoy learning. Step number 2. Read as much as you can. Read books, articles, magazines and newspapers as much as you can. It will enhance your knowledge and your power of thinking. By using these best techniques, your grammar will be improved automatically. Step number 3. Practice writing literature. Write something daily, write essay, letters and other formats and get it checked by your teacher. This will automatically improve your grammar efficiency as you practice more. These are the best techniques and tips to enhance and improve your English grammar. Do follow these techniques.